Hello guys, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? So guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to review the products I purchased from Beardo.in. So guys, I purchased the 6 products. I'm going to unboxing today. So guys, let's see my review. So guys, this is the product I got from Beardo.in. So guys, you can see the packaging. The packaging is awesome. As you see that the Beardo is written over here on the packaging. Fragile handle with care. So guys, as you can see, the man with mouse tag. So guys, आप देख सकते हैं a man with a mouse tag is also drawn on a packaged paper. So guys, it's really look awesome. So today I'm going to review and unboxing the products I ordered from Beardo.in. So guys, I ordered the 6 products from there, and when you made a purchase of 600, I also bought gifts as a token of gratitude from Beardo.in. So guys, when you do an order of 600 rupees, then you will also get some gifts in terms of vouchers from Zomato, Cultway, Zoom is my trip, and Skull Candy. So I'm also going to show you that vouchers in my video. So guys, start करते हैं हमारी unboxing.
No good, but I want you. There's something about you, and I can't let go. A beautiful disaster. I know I've got what's coming, but I do it all again just to feel the thrill. There's something about you. There's something keep pulling to you. There's something no good, but I want you. There's something about you, and I can't let go.
Guys, so you can see my face before using the Detain face wash Coffee Detox. So I will show you my face after washing my face with Detain face wash Coffee Detox. Detain face wash Coffee Detox helps you to fight daily pollution and harsh effects of the sun. So guys, basically it is very helpful for your skin because it has armed with caffeine, which is a skincare superfood known for its tan removal properties and remove extra oil without making it dry. So this cleans your skin gently and with the goodness of vitamin E and aloe vera helps your skin for a glowing skin. So guys, let me give you the directions for using the Detain face wash Coffee Detox. So guys, I have finally washed my face with face wash, coffee detox, and I'm feeling very awesome. The smell was very good. It really cleans my skin as you can see. So guys, I must recommend the product. It is a made in India product, best before 24 months from manufacturing. Hello guys, so my second product is Neem Face and Beard Wash, Acne Control. With this face wash, purify your skin with goodness of Neem using Beardo Neem Face Wash. The face wash combined action of antibacterial neem and aloe vera extract along with castor oil that cleans the skin deeply, soothes it, and removes excess oil without leaving it dry. Using this face wash regularly will help your skin clear, soft, and moisturize. And manufactured by HCL Wellness. So let me give you the directions for using this. Take required amount of product on your palm and apply on a wet face. Massage gently in circular motion and rinse thoroughly with clean water. So guys, finally I have washed my face with Neem face and beardo wash acne control. So guys, you can see how my face looks. It also looks very awesome. So guys, I have tried both products are really good. So let's move on to our third product. Hello guys, so our third product is Ultra Glow Face Cream. So guys, it has SPF 30 with skin brightening, dark spot reduction and sun protection. So guys, let me tell you what are the advantages of using the product. So guys, Beardo Ultra Glow Face Cream is all-in-one cream that moisturizes, protects and nourishes the skin. Enriched with natural extract from liqueurs, aloe vera, carrot seed oil, vitamin E, and niacinamide. This face cream will help clarify and brighten your skin upon regular use, and it protects from the harmful rays of the sun. So guys, let me tell you the directions for using the product. So guys, take some product on your palm and apply on a clean face. Apply evenly all over the face. So guys, you can see after using the cream, it adds an extra layer over your face. So you can see it protects you from sun and gives you shining look. So you, if you are going to college or office, then you can use this cream and then you go to your college and office. The people will see you and find you very attractive. So guys, this is the our fourth product, Ultra Glow Face Cream, and it is also from Ultra Glow, but it is a face wash. So guys, it is all-in-one brightens skin tone, removes dirt and dead cells, anti-pollution 50 ml made in India product. So guys, this product basically adds face wash to your regime and insta ready without filters. So guys, this uniquely formulated face wash will brighten your natural skin tone and also remove dirt, dead cells and dullness caused due to pollution and too many late nights. So guys, use this product twice a day and follow up with the Ultra Glow face cream for best result. तो guys आपको इस फेस वॉश को जो इसकी अल्ट्रा फेस ग्लो क्रीम है उसके साथ यूज करना है फॉर बेस्ट रिजल्ट्स. So now let me give you directions for use. Take some product in your palm and apply it on your face. Massage it gently in a circular motion. So after that, rinse with clean water. So guys, I have also used the Ultra Glow Face Wash after the face cream, and you can see it removes the dead cells from my skin and also removes the pollution from my skin. So it brightens my skin and gives a trendy look. So guys, you can purchase this product from Beardo. Have that attention you never get.
and pull up on me, baby, if you want it. Tender love and care is all you really.
Hello guys, so after applying all the products, I am looking very awesome, isn't it? So guys, let's review our last product, which is lip balm. So guys, this is the Beardo lip balm, which is 7 grams, and let me try it out.
And you know I got the touch like Midas. You just gotta trust me that I'ma make it alright. I know she wasn't treating you right. You still argue, always wanting to fight. But with me you can be at peace. Just give me some time to show you just what I mean. I don't wanna be your stressor, baby. Just sit back and let me bless ya.
So guys, this is also made in India product, marketed by Jet Lifestyle and manufactured by Calista Healthcare, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So guys, let me open it. So guys, as you can see, this is a lip balm. It is very important to take care of your lips with your skin. Take a little of this and apply on your lip.
You ain't seeing nothing yet, I'm barely getting started. And I'ma take it to another level. You just
It feels very fresh. And so purchase all the products from Beardo.in. All the products are very awesome, as you can see in my video. So if you want more videos like this, so subscribe my channel for more lifestyle videos. And thank you very much guys for supporting me, for your love and care.
just give me
So guys, if you are a college student, or if you are going to meet your girlfriend, or it's your first date, or if you are a office employee, so you start your morning with these products and gives you a fresher look and keeps shining. Thank you so much.
it. And you know I got the touch like Midas. You just gotta trust me that I'ma make it alright. I know she was your stressor, baby. Just sit back and let me bless ya. Wanna make it easier and please you all night. I don't wanna be your stressor, baby. Just sit back and let me bless ya. I wanna make it easier and please you all night. It's just like magic.